Hey everyone, Kevin with Spectora here. Today we're going to go through two options in the report writing settings of Spectora. The first one is your default status for any given item. Many of you have this set already, but we wanted to go through it just to make sure if you wanted to change your default status of every item to not inspected, inspected. We also have not present, deficient, or blank. So this is where you would go to change everything to flip to inspected, not inspected, or blank as you're learning your flow and getting used to Spectora. So this affects future reports, not existing ones. Keep that in mind. There's also photo quality, another setting in report writing. We defaulted to 0.7. That's where we recommend keeping it for the best balance between speed and quality. You also have cost estimators here. We'll do another video dedicated purely to that, but require completion to publish. So what this means is that you will not be able to publish your report if your percent completion is not at 100 on mobile or desktop. So sometimes you'll run into situations where it won't be at 100%. You can always go in here, uncheck require completion to publish, and it'll allow you to publish that report. So if you're ever not getting to 100% on mobile or desktop and you need to get the report out, come in here, uncheck it, publish the report, and then you can check it back. All right, guys, that's a quick one today on report writing. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. We'll be putting out videos weekly. Thanks for watching.